Alarms are ringing a little earlier for college students in the Golden Triangle this week. WTVA's Rhea Thornton was in Mayhew, where she spoke with a college president about his decision to make masks a must.
Here at East Mississippi Community College, students have been back in the classroom for almost a week, and according to a few students, things are so far so good.
So far, it's been good. Meeting new people. It's great.
Excited, but yet again, terrified.
Thomas Jackson and Caitlin Fulgham are students at East Mississippi Community College. Jackson started his second semester on Monday, and he feels like the coronavirus is looming over the school year already.
There's like this feeling of like going back to online classes, but I'm just going to enjoy it while I can, I guess.
As of right now, a majority of students at EMCC are in person. While in the classroom, students have to temporarily wear a mask. EMCC President Scott Alsobrooks said they ultimately went with the mandate to keep their students and staff safe, even after leaving the school's premises.
We're not immunologists or epidemiologists. We're just listening to the experts, and I have faith in that.
And students don't seem to mind. Fulgham said she knows the school is doing what they feel is best for their students.
Since it's been like a year and a half, you kind of just got used to it, and it's kind of like the new normal now.
Along with the masks, students will find sanitizer all over the campus. The college is also offering COVID testing and vaccinations on campus for students and staff. With all these changes back to a similar look to last year, Dr. Alsobrooks has a message for his students and staff.
We'll get through this. This is, like we said, this is temporary.
EMCC's online classes will begin on Monday. Reporting in Mayhew, Rhea Thornton, WTVA 9 News.